Hello, I'm going to be doing another riding video here. I'm going to be using the action cam attached to the handlebars, so not too sure how this is going to turn out. Probably going to be full of vibration. Anyway, this is a bit of a dirt track lane. I'm going to be going in power assist 2. Just taking it nice and steady. Let's see how we go. I'm going to go down to power assist 1. Yeah, 1's plenty. 2's a little bit too fast on this uneven road. Probably going to 2 when I come to this bit of an incline coming up. But it handles these lanes okay. Okay, moving to power assist 2. That's made life easier. I'll go back down to 1 when we reach this corner. As you can see, it handles these, what we call potholes, very easily. I mean, tractors use this road. Going past a farm now, which uses it. These brakes have become quite noisy. I have got some cable operated hydraulic ones due to arrive soon. Let's see if they're any different. I mean, they work okay, but just a bit noisy. Over the motorway bridge here. Have a quick look, see how the traffic's flowing. Busy as normal. I mean, I'm keeping it to around about 10 mile an hour, which is, well, plenty fast enough. I don't know how stable this video is going to come out, because, like I say, it's very rough. Into power assist 2. Pull me up the hill a bit. Stop pedalling, give it a bit of throttle, give my legs a rest. See, in power assist 1, throttle 9 mile an hour probably. Going to 2. Yep. Up to 12, which, like I say, is a little bit too fast for this off-road. A lot more better, the speed, 8-9 mile an hour. Pull me up the hill. A lot of birds around here today for some reason. Probably after the cornfields. At least it's dry today. The other day, oh, it was really wet. Well, not at the time, but it had been. Had to give my bike a real wash off to get it clean again. You know, I wouldn't be doing this on normal pedalling. I'm not that fit anymore. I'd certainly be getting off pushing it. But this very easy to do. I think we're coming to the main road here. So what I will do, probably turn round, go back. I shall turn round, go back, and there's a bit of a lane I want to try out, so I'll get back to you when I get there. Okay, bye for now. I rode into here the other day, and the gate was open, so I thought, oh, that looks okay. It was lovely in there, grass had all been mowed, nice pathways, and then a groundsman comes up to me and says, yeah, you do realise this is private property. Well, I didn't, did I? Can you see anything? Anyway, it's in the grounds of Swinnerton Hall. If anybody local knows, you'll know it. He was okay about it. He was more interested in my bike really than anything else. So I left it at that and carried on my merry way. But this is a nice lane. We'll get to that other one shortly. Thanks. Yeah, you see it's all walled. I didn't take much notice, I just turned in. I come down here quite often. It's a nice route. It's reasonably quiet as well. I'm just going to go through the village now. I don't like riding on roads, but sometimes it just can't be avoided. I need to go on it anyway to get to the next place. That little lane I want to show you about. I mean, it's a nice village. It's reasonably quiet, so it's not too bad. He says as a car comes past him. Okay, this is the lane I was mentioning. It's again, it's another nice ride. It's not too bad. It's not too bumpy. And it's away from the traffic. Let's do it. Nice and steady again. It's not a race, is it? It's as long as it's nice and easy for me. I down here recently, and I was down this lane and minding my own business, going along. Next thing I know, it's a great big deer run out in front of me. I think they're fallow deers, I think, full grown, like orangey colour with white spots on. Frightened me to death, they did. So I don't know if we'll see any today. Okay, this is the area I was in, and that deer ran in front of me. In fact, it was just round this corner here. Came out of the woods, really right in front of me as well. I'll have a quick look down here. I don't think this lane goes anywhere, but yeah, it was right here. Must have jumped this fence. It's a fair jump because there's no opening there. Must have jumped it and then ran up that hill. Sure, that was the place it came out. Definitely no opening in the fence. It's quiet today, doesn't look like there's any around. And squeaky brakes. Okay, that just goes into a field. There is a path down there, but I'm not going to take that today. I'll try that another day. I'm going to go back up this hill. Again, I don't know if it shows on camera, but this is a reasonably steep hill, and well, as you'll see, it goes up very easily. Very little effort I'm putting in, just a little bit to help it along its way. This just brings you back out onto the main road. So get to the bottom of this and then turn round and go back again. Right, we're going back on the road now. Go back to the car. Things parked just down the road here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a ride on my ENGWE EP-2. It certainly does the job. Again, great value for money, that's all I can say. Nothing's fell off yet anyway. Wait for the car to come past and we'll go for it. Yeah, we're doing 24 miles an hour there, and that's on the flat. I am pedaling. down a bit to 20 now. Give it a bit of throttle alone. Press my legs a bit. Okay, that's how convenient it folds up and fits into the back of my car very easily. It's not too heavy to maul in either, so it's doable. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.